Hello everyone, it's meteorologist Mike Mihalik here, and it is time to talk about more rain and more thunderstorms here in the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. It is Tuesday, June 18th, and this could be seen throughout much of the area as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. So let's take a look at what's going on here on the satellite picture. Now we have a front stretched out, a stationary boundary from New York City all the way back through western Pennsylvania. There's a little ripple of low pressure along that's going to cause some issues here this afternoon. And if you can see south of the front on this visible satellite, you're seeing some breaks in the cloudiness happening. So that's allowing some energy to get into the atmosphere. The temperatures are warming up, the tropical moisture is there. And if we take a look at something called the CAPE, which is a measure of the amount of energy in the atmosphere available for thunderstorms, you can see it's over 2,000 joules by the time we get to 3 p.m. here this afternoon, and that is going to help trigger those thunderstorms, some of which could be severe. So you can already see some thunderstorms developing along I-78 here in the Lehigh Valley, but the one thing I want to point out is this line back stretching through State College. That is likely the one that will produce some severe weather as it moves south and east here into Lancaster County, into Philadelphia, into central New Jersey. This is more like 2 to 4 o'clock this afternoon than into the evening. So that's what we have here this evening. We're going to have some of these strong thunderstorms here in this red area. You're talking about gusts of 50 to possibly 60 miles an hour in the strongest storms. Some small hail possible. Lots of heavy rain with all that moisture out there. But one thing we're noting with that front just nearby, that's going to create some turning in the atmosphere, which could even give the potential for some isolated tornadoes. So we're going to have to really watch this area, especially, like I said, south of I-78 in Pennsylvania and down towards Philadelphia and over into central New Jersey for some of those storms that could get some rotation to them. Fortunately, tonight those storms start winding down, but there's still some downpours that will linger and cause some flooding issues as we head into the nighttime hours. This all tapers off as we head towards Wednesday morning. So that is definitely a good thing. There might be a bit of fog to start the day on Wednesday, but then as we head into the afternoon, we'll have another threat of some thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. But the good thing is this should be a bit more isolated, so I'm not expecting as widespread of rainfall across the area, but still the chance of a shower or thunderstorm, temperatures into the 80s from Philadelphia down through DC. But you see north of that front, it's in the 70s, and on Thursday, this is another day that could get quite interesting later in the afternoon, talking about towards the evening hours toward the I-95 corridor here. There will be a low pressure system streaking out here across Ohio into western Pennsylvania. Winds will be pretty strong out of the south here, adding in that warm, moist air. Look at this, 90 degrees in Washington, D.C., but I guarantee it will feel a lot warmer than that on Thursday. And then as that front moves in during the evening, another severe weather outbreak could be on tap for eastern Pennsylvania, back through Maryland, even into portions of western New Jersey there. And some of those storms could also contain damaging winds. So that's what we're keeping an eye on here over the next couple of days. Please follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those channels. And as always, WeatherWorks Inc.com is the place to go.